Hello guys, so recently I made a post on Facebook showcasing a prototype I made for the Metro 2033 and Exodus visibility indicator, and I decided to make a tutorial. It's pretty simple to do, so this video won't be very long. But here is the working prototype showcase first. Now let's make it. First, for our components, what we will need is an LED, preferably blue, but any color will work, it's just that blue is in the actual game. A light dependent resistor LDR, an NPN transistor. Now I use the BC548B, but any NPN transistor should work for this, and a 1 kilo ohm resistor, or you could use a potentiometer to fine tune it, a 4.5 volt power supply or a battery pack, some heat shrink if you want, and optionally you can have an actual watch, but it's not necessary. It just adds to the circuit to make it more like the game, but it is better with it. Now I have made a very simple schematic for the circuit. It's not very pretty, but I think you'll be able to understand it. And basically it's just like this. The LED's cathode is connected to the collector of the transistor, and its anode is connected to one side of the LDR. Now the LDR is connected to the base of the transistor, and on the side of the LDR where it connects to the base of the transistor, there is a resistor connected to the emitter of the transistor, and it connects to the side of the LDR that connects it to the base. Now the positive of the power supply will connect to the side where the LDR and the LED's anode are connected, and the ground, or negative, connects to where the resistor is connected to the emitter. And that's the circuit complete. And you can optionally replace the 1 kilo ohm resistor for a potentiometer, so you can fine tune the sensitivity to how you like. But for me, I found 1 kilo ohm to be just good. And this is an image of when I was making it before I finished it, and you can see it's pretty small and not too complicated. And that is the entire build. It's pretty simple and easy to make. It doesn't require a lot of components. All you need is just some soldering skills, but even that's pretty easy to make. So I hope you enjoy this little tutorial video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.